Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for joining us. I am so happy to have you here. And if you are not new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I am going to talk to you guys about carrot oil. Carrot oil, it's a great oil for your skin, it's a great oil for your hair. So today I decided to come and show you how I make my carrot oil. And before we started, if you haven't joined me to my Facebook and Instagram, please do so. So with that being said, let's get started. So to make this oil, all you need is coconut oil, organic of course, organic carrots, a bowl, grater, and that's about it. So to start, as you can see, my carrot is right there. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. You really don't need much of carrots, so one actually should be enough. It really depends on the amount of oil that you need, that you want. So I usually make one carrot, one big carrot. So I'm gonna go ahead, I just wash it, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, the ends, because you don't need the ends to be in your oil. So you cut the end and you start grating in your grater. So because you need, like small pieces of carrots. You can actually buy the carrots that is already, straight, those carrots, but I prefer to do it myself. Why not? And then after you finish, you can see you have all the carrots right there. And then now we're gonna go to the next step, where we're gonna need oil and a pan. Look at that carrots. So now we get our organic coconut oil ready. You need half cup of oil. Now you can see I'm taking it and putting it in a bowl. I just want to make sure that I get enough for the carrots. So like I said, for one carrot I just get half cup of oil. And we're gonna go ahead. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the heat. And you can see my pan is right there. And I'm gonna go ahead put the oil. And before you put the carrots, make sure the oil all melt out and it's hot. It's ready, for you to add the carrots. So now you can see I'm gonna go ahead and turn down the heat a little bit to let the carrots cook, slowly for a good 20 minutes. But don't go far. You have to be around it just to check on it once in a while to make sure that the carrot doesn't burn. Because if you burn, it's not gonna look good anymore. So now this is the final result. Once you see the carrot is all yellow, that's all the nutrients is out, and now it's ready to take it out. So now let me tell you a little bit about carrot oil. Carrot oil has many nutrients which are beneficial for your hair and skin, such as vitamin A and vitamin E. So the oil prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. which is indirectly retain the growth of the hair. It's excellent moisturizer for hair and your skin. Some people might ask question if when you apply carrot oil, it's gonna leave your hair or your skin orange. The answer is no. Your skin is gonna look beautiful and your hair is gonna be looking shiny. This oil is very good because it also improves blood circulation and straighten your hair roots. Yeah, it also protects hair from environmental damages such as, you know, guys, sunlight can damage your hair and pollution. So this oil really protect your hair when you're outside on the sun. You don't have to worry about anything at all. And also this oil is gonna grow your hair and your hair is gonna look beautiful, healthy, and shiny. To apply this oil, just take a little amount of oil and massage it to your scalp.